Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2008 Ferrari F430 Spider. Equipped with a 4.3-liter, 483 horsepower V8 engine and a 6-speed F1 transmission with rear-wheel drive. This car is finished in a highly desirable Rosso Corsa exterior with beige leather interior. This 430 is in excellent condition and comes well optioned, including F1 transmission, carbon fiber kit for engine compartment, Scuderia shields, power seats, Radionavi system, Bluetooth, red calipers, rear parking sensors, roll bar upholstery, high power hi-fi with subwoofer, and much more.